We are Rediscover. We provide makers with the tools, resources, and confidence to engage in creative reuse and self-expression. We educate youth at all levels of expertise in transforming discarded materials into art, functional objects, and tools for learning. We support one another as hands-on creators, problem solvers, community stakeholders, and stewards of the earth. We build a better Los Angeles by strengthening youth's skills as creative makers and problem solvers. Build makerspaces and teach youth at schools across LA. Facilitate intensive maker experiences at camps and classes. Reach thousands of families through public programs like artist workshops, outdoor festivals, and Cardboard City, our annual pop-up exhibit and cardboard makerspace. This is Rediscover. Youth and adults working together to turn recyclables, wood, and scraps into tools for storytelling, experiments, functional furniture, and projects as wild as your imagination. We teach maker education with an emphasis on safety and agency. While our focus is on working locally within Los Angeles, we also share resources and curriculum that are accessible to educators and families across the country. We believe in opening opportunities for youth from all walks of life to pursue their interests as tinkerers and innovators. We believe in diversity, equity, inclusion, and anti-racism, and work to create a society where everyone can express their unique creativity. Through in-person and distance learning workshops, Rediscover facilitates youth's creative journeys, providing tools, materials, and support. We teach maker skills workshops. We provide open-ended prompts and work with each student to turn interests into passions, into projects. Our mission is to create a sustainable, creative community of makers. To be a part of that mission, pick up a tool, find some materials, and let's get making. Learn more about Rediscover at rediscovercenter.org.